So you want to be a day trader. You want to be an investor. You want to do what me and a lot of other people do online. Well, supposedly other people do. I can't speak for them. I don't know them personally. But you want to become an investor. Perfect. You want to make more money. Absolutely. Who doesn't? Let's get into this video and explain what it really takes to get to that point.
I've been getting dirty money, Jordan Belfort. Stacking penny stocks while I'm flipping these birds. Sipping on Ciroc, trip 'em up with the words. I done popped the Molly and I think it's be my third.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's gonna help you guys, whether it's long-term, short-term, just in finance and everything like that. So that being said, let's jump back to the video. So, guys, there is one and only one point it's going to, well, two technically, but they both combine. That's going to get you to become an investor, that's going to get you, that passive income that everybody talks about, or heck, even just to sit at home and do nothing all day. But here's the kicker. Consistency and hard work. Everybody wants a get-rich-quick scheme. I do not 100% understand it. I was never raised to, get rich quick or not work. Why don't you want to work? Why do you want to sit at home and play Xbox all day? Eventually, that's going to become work. Because if you're good enough, you're going to get ranked, you're going to do everything. That's still consistency. Esports now is a big thing. It's consistency, guys. The number one thing to becoming a successful investor, day trader, whatever it is, you want to become a YouTuber, you want to do whatever it is, it's consistency. It is 110% consistency. If you don't have consistency, you are not going to make it unless you're an overnight because you get a shout out from somebody, Gary Vee, or somebody that draws all this attention to you and you get to make it. But what do you do when you make it? That's what's going to count. I could have quit as soon as I hit my goal when I was in college. My goal was only $500,000 when I was in college. And honestly, my goal was to first become profitable as a day trader when I was in college. I did that rather quickly, and I know that doesn't always happen for everybody. You guys remember, I've told you my story. I blew up my first account. But then you got to keep moving the needle. The more you move the needle further and further away, the harder it's going to get, and that's what's going to make you work harder, get more consistent. Consistency is everything. YouTube, for instance, guys, I did not get views on YouTube whatsoever at the very beginning. Now my older videos do better than my newer videos because you watch this video will only get like 30 views in the first week, but I've got videos that got 1,000 views that are from the past. And I'm 100% okay with that, guys, but it's consistency. You guys have to just keep doing it. I don't care what it is, whether it's day trading, investing, whatever it is. You guys want to be a long-term investor. Absolutely. But what are you going to do with the dividends? Are you going to reinvest? Are you going to collect? Are you going to move to other stocks? There's so many questions you got to be able to have a plan for. And not only have a plan, guys, but stay consistent. Guys, I don't want to just sit here and rant about consistency. It's also going to take hard work. You're going to have research. You're going to have to know what you're doing. You're going to have to know timing. Timing is everything in this market. If you want to make money, timing is absolutely everything. Unless, you're going to bag hold forever and then you're like, oh, I made all this money because this. And really what happened is when you see some of these people that say they made money on this because they've been holding, they bought hoping that they were going to be able to get out sooner. And what happened is the stock went the opposite direction and they sat there and go, well, we own the stock. It's a good company. We might as well hold it until it ramps back up. And I'm okay with that. If that is 100% okay, I'm okay with people making money even off mistakes. Sometimes you got to get lucky. I like getting lucky. I'm not going to lie. I'll be happy with getting lucky every day. I want to get lucky every day of my life. But with that being said, those people end up holding it so long, the price comes back up, and then they make their money, and they think it was an instant success, and they act like it was an instant success, when honestly, they bought, for this example, say they bought 6 months ago, they bought Microsoft on one of its best green days, and they were chasing the pump, or not even the pump, but they were just chasing the stock. They thought it was going to keep riding. It has all this momentum. They bought it at the very, very top on a new high, and they hold it. And now, 3 months later, the stock's all the way back down here at like a 52-week low maybe, or something like that, just say for instance, and now they have to hold for another 3 months before it gets back to either break even, or all of a sudden they're making money because it's making new highs because Microsoft's a great company. Guys, that's what really happens when people seems to show you guys this, guys. I'm just letting you guys know. I see it all the time. Look at the times. Look at the times, guys. I literally show you guys my times when I actually show trades. I show why I got in, why I got out, why I cut a loss if I had to. All these things go into a trade. So you guys want to become a day trader? Well, be ready to lock yourself in a room. If you don't have time to lock yourself in a room, go to work, come home, take care of the family, go work out, do everything. Before you go to bed, 30 minutes, lock yourself in a room and get to study. No other BS, no just watching entertainment, no listening to music while you're doing it. Sit down, watch whatever course you're in, whatever thing you're watching in order to be able to learn how to trade, whatever book you're reading. I don't read books, just so you guys know. But sit down, do it, and then in about a year, you'll thank me later. But until then, don't come and tell me I failed. You didn't give it time to fail. How are you failing at something that you ain't even putting in the work in order to get to fail? Failing is because you quit. If you want to quit on everything and that's why you're not being successful, then quit and go to your day job. I ain't got time to talk to you. But if you're committed, I can help you. If you're ready to put in some work, I can help you. I can give you tips all day long on just little things that are going to make, hundreds of dollars a difference sometimes. Literally. You guys want to learn what's better, penny stocks, options, high cap stocks, low cap stocks. What should I trade long term, short term, swing trades, day trades? How should I do it? Guys, I got all sorts of tips and tricks in order to help my students, guys, do it. And that's why my students are so successful, is because I tell every single one of them before we start, before I ever even allow them to become one of my students and get into my group, is be willing to put the work in. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. I'm sorry if I'm ranting, but guys, I know somebody out there needs to hear this. Put the work in. Actually do the work, guys, and you will be successful. Now, there will be red days. I had a red day on Thursday. I lost $1,000. It happens, guys. I still finished the week up 6 G's. $6,000 if you guys didn't know what G's meant. And that's after taxes. So I actually made more than that, took my taxes out for the week, put it in another account so I can't touch those, and I made 6 G's this week. I didn't even pay myself 6 G's this week. But I got it. I put it in my other account. It's like a savings account, and then they cycle that into the market and things like that, and I make more money off of that. Consistency. I will see you guys all in the next video because I don't want to keep ranting.